The Creative Elements Page Builder module provides a large number of possibilities for editing various content on PrestaShop. In this short video we will show you how you can edit your contents in a very fast way. If you have previously logged into your back office and you move your mouse above an area which was created with Creative Elements, you will see an icon in the upper right corner. This icon provides a quick link to the editor. It is important to know that your visitors will not see this. If you click on it, you can edit your homepage immediately. Let's go back to the front office. If you open a CMS page, you can see the same icon there. You can open the editor even on a new tab. This possibility is also available on the category description. Let's open a product page. As you can see, the quick edit option is not available on this product description. This is because this content has not yet been edited by the page builder. Let's go to the back office and search this product in the catalog. Open the product. Switch to the description tab. Edit the description and save it. Go back to your front office and refresh the page. As you can see, the edit icon appeared here too. If you want, you can turn off this feature at any time. In this case, just navigate to the Creative Elements Settings page. And in the General Settings area, you can find this option. After you turned it off, the edit icon will be not visible on your site. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly.